Wow, look at my strawberry bed. Aren't they blooming? I added some new plants there last year and they're coming. This one really spreads nice. And these I just got out of a hanging basket and I just have been multiplying them every year. They're not a real big strawberry, but I think they're an ever-bearing one because they bear strawberries for a long time. Isn't that pretty? Have any strawberries growing this year? One thing I really struggle with is keeping the weeds out. And I'm not going to be putting anything in my strawberry bed to keep the weeds down. I'll just manually go in there and pull them out when I need to. But that is a sight to see. I never seen so many blooms. Just appreciate a thumbs up on this video. It helps me grow my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my videos, go ahead and do that right now. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I have new content coming on my garden channel.